I know you've been dancing, dancing, dancing like you fucking got a reason, dancing like it's something. I done dated Charles too many years that I won't get.
Gassed up, shorty, said I need about 40, pull up to the party,
Hey guys!
The 100 done for us. Why they think the church? They think the church can't fit under the church though. And they look like Hurricane Matthew hit it. Look like Hurricane Matthew hit it in reverse. Oh Lord. No way. What else? Johnny, what is that? Tax. At least I can see myself in the mirror. And they have like 3 pairs of glasses in it. Is that a kidney bean?
That's granddaddy.
Yep. Whoa. This truck 30 in the road. At least there's some people to clean it. Oh!
Hi guys, so today we're going to tell you about some Bahamian words.
Punkala.
Yes. So
The
this
punkala is a word which you use in absence of the word mess.
yeah, so like instead of saying oh it all messed up, or instead of saying like oh that looked bad, oh no. You like saying oh that's crappy.
Kapunkala.
You just look kapunka.
But the word is actually kapunkala.
But you can't say it without
But you can't say kapunkal without up. So we just say kapunkal up in one word. So kapunkal up. Yeah. It is a pie. Okay, so when you call somebody a pie, you mean they fine, like they fine. But now these children, Bahamian children, they make up a thing called a snack. I ain't a snack. That's a 5-course meal. You know what I'm saying? Daddy, why you blowing at them? Where's
You don't move.
The light on red. You think because you're in this big truck, ain't nobody can do nothing anyway. Light on red, boo. That's annoying. Anyway, yes, it's called a kata. No. Talking about the snack, right? Yeah, snack. So a snack is usually
What the one is where you say people don't rate you or something?
That's not like actually a Bahamian thing, but we said it in Bahamian. I think people in Americans use that. They start taking a lot of our words, and I don't like that. I really don't like that. But when somebody say use a snack, basically they think of you as one of them sides on Kentucky, a biscuit or a corn or mashed potato or fries. That's all they think of you as. But if somebody say use a 5-course meal, or somebody say use a buffet that they can't finish, you know you yummy. Anyway. So another one is boy.
Yes, boy is a basic term for bro. It means
Who's you?
yeah, use my friend. Hi friend, how you doing? Yeah, little boy. How it go? How it go?
Yeah, boy is just people start saying boy in America, and I'm like, I saw it on Nick, and I'm like, what are you doing? But that's what they start using now, boy. We don't really use it like that because we just say hi, bro.
Yeah, we don't even say friend no more.
We start using like friend or
Yeah,
like
just call everybody friend.
Just call everybody. Huh? Yeah. You saying?
What did you say, babe?
That's yeah.
Oh yeah, and Bahamians like to use dry voices for some reason. Like dry, boy. For example,
It's just how he's taught. I
boy. I go. Like they try like to have an accent, but we don't really have an accent, so it don't really make no sense how we don't have an
We
accent.
just have an English dialect. That's really bad. Anyway, another one is I don't rate you. Either they rate you or they don't rate you. If somebody say they rate you, that means rating is just like the word rate. If you rate something, then you actually care about it, you want that run. If I tell her I rate her, like I don't rate her. She ain't on my level, so I don't rate you. I just don't rate you. Boom.
Okay, wow. What does boom mean? Because like a lot of black people say that. They're like boom. Like isn't that what people use to scare people? What does boom mean?
Sorry. Boo.
Oh, and the reason why we're in the truck is because we're on like this tribe.
Mission?
We're like on a mission. No, we're not killing anyone or anything.
No.
No, thank you. We'll stay right here.
Tell them to get under my bag.
On your bag? You should bring your bag in the front because it's about to rain. Yeah.
See, we changed our thing.
What thing?
Sorry, get my bag. Get my bag. Okay.
Because the breeze getting all weird.
And y'all say about the rain?
I mean, it can get wet outside there and inside here, so.
Okay, another word is don't freak out. Y'all don't know. Don't freak out.
I don't know.
Don't freak out. Okay.
I think I need to take up a human
Let me
history.
see. Let me see if I can explain it. It is lighted. Okay.
Hi, good afternoon.
Yeah.
Let's go on the phone. Do you have any to reply with? Yes.
Sorry, I just heard offset. No.
Okay.
What?
Thanks.
Offset.
Let me play it back. Plug. Yeah. Gassed up, shorty. Said I need about 40.